Welcome back to Finer Things. I finally have the summer wardrobe of my dreams. It's full of bright colors, natural fabrics, and a ton of thrifted items. It has a kind of retro, vintagey vibe. I'd say late 60s, early 70s. Malibu Barbie meets Florida retiree. I like to feel like I'm on vacation all the time. And I think it speaks for itself. And most importantly, it's fun. I've been slowly transitioning my summer wardrobe over to natural materials, things like cotton, linen, silk, etc. I only have a couple items left that are 100% polyester. One is a dress that was a total impulse purchase last summer. It's really cute. A little sash tie in the back, but polyester. If you know anyone who wants a polyester dress, let me know. The other is this pleated skirt. It's vintage. This I love, and I get a ton of wear out of it. It actually belonged to my mom, and she's a big thrift shopper as well and vintage lover. She finds a ton of great stuff for me. She also watches my videos, so hi Mom. Going forward, I'm not gonna be buying any more polyester, and it's tough because polyester is abundant. It's in almost everything now, especially when you're shopping secondhand. It's really tough to avoid. It's made of plastic, fills up the landfills, doesn't biodegrade. I'm all about the natural materials now, baby, because especially in the summertime, it gets humid as heck where I live. You're gonna be sweating. I want cotton, I want linen, ideally thrifted, because new materials, no matter what they are very intensive on the planet and on the people who make our clothes. So shop secondhand, natural materials first. And they're more breathable. In the summer, you gotta breathe, baby. Speaking of sweating in the summer, I also have a video about summer wedding looks featuring lots of natural materials. Check out that video too. You should wear cotton to a summer wedding or any summer event. It's gonna change your life. Trust me. I dare you. And even though my wardrobe is full of bright colors, they still coordinate well because I keep within a certain palette. And it's also about the cuts and styles of your wardrobe that make a huge difference. So as far as the actual items, I do kind of have a formula or pattern that I stick to. I like my tops to be a bit more cropped, and I like wide leg cropped pants as well. A lot of summer wardrobes and summer fashions that you'll see put a big emphasis on dresses. I actually don't have very many dresses in my summer wardrobe anymore because I find them very impractical. My thighs rub together, and anybody out there who has that same issue knows what I'm talking about. And I know those cooling shorts exist. I get ads for them all the time. If you want a good quality pair that's not gonna roll up on you, you gotta shell out the money, and I'm not ready to shell out the money yet. So I'm sticking to my pants and tops summer formula. For instance, these are a linen blend. They got the nice wide leg. I got them from a consignment shop. And look, I have a similar pair in orange, also a linen blend. Same kind of cut, cropped, wide leg. And oh, do we have a third pair? Yes, we do. These ones are more of a denim, kind of chambray, cotton and viscose. So not linen, but still natural, breezy summer material. I have these ones too. These are also thrifted. They're cotton. They're more of an athleisure pant. My mom found these ones. Hi. You don't need to wear summer dresses to feel summery. You have way more options with pants and tops than you do with a single dress. Jumpsuits. I have 2 thrifted jumpsuits. This is probably my most worn summer item. And I found this 2 years ago at a thrift shop in Montreal. And I have been putting some miles on this baby. Wearing a jumpsuit, ideally a cotton jumpsuit, natural materials in the summer. Your thighs are gonna be so happy. My boyfriend and I went on a trip late last summer. We did a lot of walking, and I wore this jumpsuit as well as my linen pants. And I'm telling you, my thighs were very happy. F the dresses. What I'm trying to say here is no more dresses in the summer. No more dresses. I mean, unless you want to. This, also thrifted. I wanted a little overall type vibe, and this is what I found. 100% cotton. I'm on a jumpsuit kick. Dresses. I got a couple dresses. But you know what? This is more of a beach cover-up. 100% linen. Love it. I've had this for, I don't know, 5 summers now. Look at those cute buttons. And it has pockets. The girlies love when the dresses have pockets. Now this, look at that color. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you wish you were on the French Riviera with Aperol Spritz? I wish I was there right now. Maybe not right now. Maybe in the fall when it's not so hot. It's 100% cotton. You're gonna be keeping cool. That's it for dresses. If I buy any more new dresses, they're gonna be thrifted. Hopefully. I'm gonna try. I'm not a big shorts wearer, but sometimes it's just too damn hot. You can't wear pants. Got shorts like this, cotton linen blends. They're cute. I've got shorts like this, just like a casual gym short. Most of these just get worn at home. I have a sweater set. Square neck tank top with a sweater. Gives me some options. And I have a couple tube tops. I got these two. Thrifted. I like tube tops. I have a range of items from more casual to more formal that gives me a range of options for different events throughout the summer. So say I want to wear something more casual. I put those two things together. Crop top, lounge pants, casual pants, or something more formal. If I had, say, oh, I don't know, a summer wedding or a garden party, patio with the girlies. Look at this. And this is 100% cotton. And it's a 2-piece set. Guess what? Right? The top goes with these pants. It goes with these pants. It goes with these pants. And so on and so on. The skirt combines with lots of things too. Like this cute little halter top. Or this silk top. Kinda cantaloupe color. Or this top. It's all about the versatility. This is also thrifted. 100% cotton. Gingham. I like to tie it up like this. This one's like date night, work. Date night and work. Don't get it twisted. Don't wear your date night shirt to work. Well, I mean, you can if you want to. No one's stopping you. You do you, girl. My summer bag. It was an impulse purchase, but it looked like a 90s jelly sandal. I'm really glad I got this because it goes super well with the whole vibe here. Tropical, zesty. This is my other summer bag. It's a crossbody in white with the gold details. I get a lot of wear out of this guy. Shall we talk about the shoes? Come down here with me. Casual to dressy. I've had these for 5 years now. They're super cute. They're super summery. These are thrifted. They were $1.50. These are a great little summer sandal. Whether you're going to work, everybody needs a nude sandal. Not everybody, again, only if you want to. I got these Timberland sandals. They're a little more funky, casual, ready to go. I don't know, if you need to go for a hike in the middle of the city. Got my lemon jelly sandals. They're made in Portugal, the sustainable brand Lemon Jelly. And then I got these little sneakers, also Timberland. These are just like your classic bright white summer sneakers. A range of options to go with everything. Just change up your shoes and you change up your whole vibe. Ooh, okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube will recommend it to more people. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I'm a recovering shopping addict turned minimalist with a passion for slow fashion and slow living. I'm a big fan of vintage and secondhand stuff, and I like to weave themes of sustainability, simplicity, and mindfulness into everything I do. If you like those things too, then I hope to see you back here soon. Bye.